You wanted a concert photography photo shoot demo, and here it is. You got it. Hi, I'm Robert Maxfield, and welcome to Max Concert Photography, where we talk everything concert and music photography related. And hey, and sometimes we talk regular photography too. But this week we've got something really special. We have Point Blank and Black Horse in concert at the Southside Preservation Hall in Fort Worth, Texas, and we're going to show you how we actually shot them. We're getting our gear together, we're getting in the car, we're headed to South Fort Worth to one of the coolest venues you can imagine. It's an old Methodist church in South Fort Worth. The Southside Preservation Hall is one of the neatest places to have a rock and roll concert that you could ever imagine. This 42,000 square foot venue is nestled in a residential neighborhood in South Fort Worth. It is one of the most complex, unique places to go to see a concert that you can imagine. In this video, we're going to show you how we scoped out the venue and where we decided to take our photographs from in this extremely large place. By the way, the show is a sellout. Over 300 people are in this building waiting to see this show. It's amazing. We knew that the show was a sellout, and we'd never really been to this venue before. So we arrived about 2 hours early and scoped out the place to decide where we were going to shoot from. So this is the general main hall where the concert itself is going to be held. There's various other buildings and various other floors to the building. We pretty much had the run of the place. There was no media area, no media pit. And we looked around and we picked probably, I would guess, 10 locations to shoot from. It was real cramped at the very front of the venue. There was probably about 6 to 8 feet at the most, and there were 2 sets of band equipment up on the stage, and the stage was real narrow. Imagine having 300 plus people in this location, and you can see as you are going to be moving around, it's going to be a lot of people there, and you're going to have to figure out where your best paths and your aisles are going to be before this ever happens. So planning is a must in this type of situation. So we picked out about 10 locations to shoot from, and this is the lower level we've been showing so far in the video. In this next part right now, we're going to show you where we are in the upper deck area. There's a second floor above this area that you can look straight down onto the stage itself, and you can see from this photograph it's real narrow and real close up and tight, so it's going to be a tough shoot. The first shot I did here is done at sound check, and it's shot from position number 2, which is the front of the stage, right smack in the middle. So this is done and the curtains are drawn. It's done during sound check, so it's a little bit unusual. So here is the photograph that I took from the other side of the curtain, and I'm going to show you in the next shot the camera I used, the lens, the ISO, all the settings right here, so you get an idea of what I did to achieve this photograph. And you can actually see the curtain on the right hand side. This shot was made with a Nikon D800 and an 80-200 f2.8 zoom lens. The aperture is f3.5, the shutter speed is 1/250th of a second. It's shot at 125 millimeter is the focal length. ISO is 1600 and we use spot metering on the shot. The next shot is at position number 1, which is stage right, or if you're looking at the stage, it'd be on your left. And I'm going to give you the settings for that. We're a little close on this shot, so the focal length is 80 millimeter, but the camera is the same, D800, 80 to 200 f2.8 at f3.5, and we're at ISO 1600 and we're spot metering. So basically it's the same, we're just closer. The next shot is a little bit more to the side and it's behind the amplifiers, so we get a good shot at the keyboard player. So almost the same. And this shot is from position number 3 and it's stage left, and it covers the whole, if you're looking at the stage, it'd be on your right. So this is the shot from there. And here are the settings for that. Same camera and lens. This time we're at 200 millimeters, f3.5, 250th of a second, ISO 1600, and using spot meter again. The next two shots are from stage left, or if you're looking at the stage, you're looking at it and it's on your right. And they're at places 5 and I believe 7. So they're a little bit different, but they give you a little bit more range. Both shots were shot at the same settings. The only difference is the focal length. One of them is at 100 millimeter and the other is at 200 millimeter, but both shots are exactly the same setting. Other than that, this shot is in position number 8, and it allows me to get all 3 band members' faces and the crowd in the same shot, so it's a little different. Pretty much it's dead center, but this shot is behind the table area and the pit area. The next shot is very similar, except it was shot from the skybox area on the 2nd floor. It allows you to go over the top and see the drummer clearly. This is handy when you have a lot of band members on stage. In this case, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can see all their faces and we can tell who's who. And from here you can see how it's getting crowded, and you can see that skybox up at the top of the screen, and that's where I was shooting down onto the stage. If you come early, you can scout your venue and know where you need to be without having to do it on the fly. It saves time and makes it easier. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little look-see of what Point Blank looks like live and in person. So hold tight, because here they come. Hey, and I know it's a little weird, but Point Blank was the headliner and Black Horse is the opener, but I still want to show some Black Horse so you get an idea what they look like. And then after the clip from Black Horse, I'm going to show you a few photographs that we've done, and you take a look and tell me what you think. Like and subscribe. We love it when you do. Ask us questions. We want to know what concerns you have, confusions, comments, whatever. We try to answer them all. We'll be back and we'll see you later. And sorry about last week, but this is what we were doing last week on Sunday when I normally make the videos. See you later. Bye.